Looking for a simple way to add just the right amount of oil or vinegar to your meals? The Woohubs Oil Sprayer promises consistent, even sprays every time, making it easier to cook healthier and tastier dishes. Whether you're roasting, grilling, baking, or whipping up a fresh salad, this sprayer delivers precision and control. No mess, no waste. I've been using the Woohubs Oil Sprayer for a few months now, and it's quickly become a staple in my kitchen. Unlike other sprayers that clog or break after a handful of uses, this one keeps working flawlessly. The textured pump feels solid under your finger, so you always get the same amount of oil with each press. Plus, the 100 ml glass bottle is just the right size, not too big to risk oil going stale, but enough to avoid constant refills. I've filled mine with olive oil and fractionated coconut oil, and both spray evenly without clogging. The clear glass lets me see exactly how much is left, which means no surprises mid-cooking. What makes the Woohubs sprayer stand out is how easy it is to clean. Just unscrew the lid, rinse with warm water, and it's ready for your next batch of oil or vinegar. It's BPA-free and made from high-quality glass, so you know it's safe and eco-friendly. The compact design means you can keep it on your countertop or take it along for BBQs, picnics, or outdoor grilling. If you want a reliable, versatile tool that helps you cook smarter and healthier, this sprayer is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to elevate your kitchen game.